In this video, we're spending a relaxing weekend down here on Beaver Lake. Stick around and check it out. All right, well, I think we're about set up and it is hot. So I think first thing on the agenda is going to be to relax for a little bit at least. I think Tammy's still trying to get the finishing touches going.
Cool down, swimming. But I was really hot.
Well, good morning. We're at Indian Creek Campground. We were here late last year. I'll link it up here to that video. But anyhow, we got in last night. A little bit warm out, but not too bad. I think today we're gonna get the paddle boards out, mess around a little bit. And other than that, I'm just sitting around waiting for my coffee to cool. We are back from the second paddleboard trip of the afternoon. I think we're both pretty much beat. Tammy's getting ready to start dinner. I've got to take a shower and then deflate the paddle boards. All right, shower's done. I feel human again, somewhat. And, oh yeah, the hair situation's fixed. So, I think Tammy's up cooking. Let's go see what she's making. What's she making?
I am making some ham and some Caesar salad and some potatoes. And you're having mixed vegetables, and I'm having Brussels sprouts.
So it's Sunday morning, and I'm probably gonna wrap everything up right about here. We just need to load everything up and get ready to head back home. It's been a great weekend. It was warm, very warm. On the plus side, if any of you saw my previous air conditioning video, the air conditioning worked great, so that is a definite plus. So that fix seemed to work. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one.